Cheesecake starts with a crust, and my crust has homemade butter on it. My pan is covered with parchment paper and butter. Easy cleanup and perfect cheesecake. I just want to make sure it's nice, tight, and even. Just like that. Now, let's talk filling. Mine starts with eggs. And like all good cheesecakes, cream cheese. Why did I not do cream cheese today? Oh, you know why? Because I made goat cheese. Vanilla. I'm not done. Yogurt and creme fraiche. After all, I made them. There it goes. Perfect. Now, I want to make sure I pour it all in, but also want to leave some room for a secret. Follow me to the oven. Like any good cheesecake, this needs to bake. But I get it out of the oven 10 minutes before it's ready. And now, the sour cream. I'm making a gorgeous topping. Super simple, too. Look at how gorgeous. Ten more minutes in the oven. Thank you.
You're welcome, Chef.
Paper works, huh? Before slicing into this, the knife into hot water. Hot knife, not wet knife. Some will call this a little slice of heaven. I will call it a little slice of the Milky Way. Go, go, go.
Thank you. Yeah, before it's all gone. Thank you, Chef.